In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs AI writing assistant inside your Google Docs. So let's see how we can do this feature. Right now here you see there is nothing, no assistant like Google Docs assistant. So I'll make it enable very shortly. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to open any browser and then access google.com. Once you are in the google.com, then you start typing, searching like this, Google Docs Orchestra's left sign up, and then hit return key. Very shortly you will find this top page. From here we have to access this link, orchespace.google.com left sign up. So you can either click here or here. I'm going to click here, and very shortly you will see this top page is coming. Google Orchespace, sign up to express interest in joining Google Orchespace Labs. And if you scroll continuously, you'll see three things are there. You just need to click all the checkboxes like this, and then you'll see the submit button is there. So we just need to click here to access that feature. So here it is showing success, you are in. You now have access to Orchespace Labs. Now if we try to open any Google Docs, then we'll see that feature is enabled. So I'm going to access Google Docs, not like that, only Google Docs is fine. So here is the Google Docs, docs.google.com. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to create a blank document. From here I'm going to press there, and very shortly it will be opened. And now it is giving me option, collaborate with Gemini in Docs, and then just press got it. And here you will see this type of buttons are enabled, like generate document and some other things. If you want to generate the documents or help me write, you can click here, and then it will try to write something, like for example generate document. So here it is showing what type of document you want to generate. Then you can write something like this, employee onboarding guide, like this type of thing, planning document to launch some application, probably like this. So you can choose any of this, and you can check how it is generating. So I'm going to click sample on. So here is a prompt, you can modify based on your own need, and then we have to press this create button, and we have to wait few seconds, and you'll see that it generated everything for you. Now you can modify based on your own need. So here you are seeing welcome to the some company probably, and submission like this. So in this way it generated. If you don't happy, you can also modify that later. And the cool thing is that it is also generating some type of image, okay, and you can also resize this thing, or you can also remove it like that, and it is generating a nice document, and that's fine, right? So again, if you click here, like if you don't like this thing, you can select it and right click, and you can choose like this, refine the selected text, and you can refresh or shorten, or more casual like this way you can also do summarized. Okay, so let's do one thing. So this paragraph I want more shorter, right? So I just select it over there. I'm going to after selection we'll find refine, or right click, it will bring the refine, this option. Just click here, and very shortly it will bring more option. From here I'm going to choose this option, shorten. So right now it is like 3-4 lines, it will make more short. So I'm going to choose from here shorten. Once I click over there, you'll see the shortened version of that thing is appeared, and now you can actually keep it or you can remove it. So if you want to take this thing, you can choose insert, and then you can modify based on your own need. Otherwise you can remove those things, and here you see it is inserted like this, contract your editor like this, and then we can remove this part. So in this way it generates only 2 lines instead of like 4-5 lines. So that's it. In this way we can also generate document. Now if you want to generate same way, I'm going to remove everything. Now I'm going to generate not generate the document, I'm going to help me to write this option. I'm going to click here, and here I'm asking like help, like for example what is Mac OS. I'm asking Google Gemini to like give me the answer what is OS, and I'm going to press the create button, and very shortly it will give you some very nice definition, like what is Mac OS, and you can choose insert, or you can also refine more. Inside the refine you have more option, like you can make it more like bigger paragraph. right now there is only 3 lines of paragraph, so I mean 3 lines of text. You can make it like 10 lines, 20 lines. You can also use this feature, and some other features are there. You can make it summaries also. So I'm going to make it more bigger, so I'm going to choose this option this time, and very shortly you'll see that it gives me more details about what is macOS. And if I want to use this thing, we can use insert. And if you want to check all the history, you can also go one by one like this way to check the history. And this version I liked it, so I'm going to press the insert button, and very shortly you will see like what is macOS. It is telling me everything in a very nice way. And if you want to modify, again you can do the same way. And that's it. In this way, basically, we can use Google Docs AI writing assistant inside our Google Docs by enabling that feature.